Dzień dobry, cześć i czołem. Witajcie w Pit Stop.
To my nigga Mike Cooley. Hell yeah. Boom, dugging, heartless and mean. Mugging at 16 on the scene, watching fiends bugging. Kicking up dust with the older G's. Soaking up the game that was told to me. I ain't never touched a gap that I couldn't shoot. I learned not to trust a bitch from the prostitutes. Taught lessons, a young nigga asking questions while other suckers was guessing I was gangster sexy. Elementary wasn't meant for me. Can't be credit. I'm headed for the penitentiary and cutting class in. I'm fucking blasting, straight mashing, bobbing through the overpass laughing. While these other motherfuckers try to figure out, no doubt, they jealous other niggas cloud. Tell me, oh, can you feel me? I keep my finger on the trigger cause some nigga trying to kill me. And mama raised the hellraiser. Every day getting paid police, I'm a pager. Straight stressing, a fugitive, my occupation is under question. Wanted for investigation. And even though I'm off for death, I'ma smoke till I lose my breath, motherfuckers. Every time I see the paper, I see my picture. When the niggas getting richer, they come to get ya. It's like a motherfucking trap. And they wonder why it's hard being black. Dear Lord, can you feel me? It's getting major. Mama raised a hell raiser. Stress getting major. Lord be my savior.
W dzisiejszym odcinku to tyle. Jeśli Ci się podobał odcinek, napisz komentarz. Nie zapomnij dać subskrypcji, lajka, jeśli Ci się podobało. Jeśli nie, to też możesz dać lajka. W takim razie ja żegnam się z Wami. Cześć.